my channel. I don't know if this intro is gonna be long, but basically I just done beat off the kids, just done beat off myself. Wait, part the best side of the kitchen. So I just done beat off my kids, just on. Shh, Aisha, come. So the intro you can't go long as I tell you, but basically I go tell them say me I throw them out of my house and me tired of them or something. So shh, let's get their reaction. Move on my TV. Move! Where you follow me up from? Where you follow me up from? Hurry! Come. Get your things. Me I put you out of my house. What? Come here. Me I put you out. You not go to? You not come on. Come on. Come out of my house. Get your things. Where's the suitcase? Me I send you away. Tired of you. You come. Can't find the suitcase. Get up. No, I don't want to live with me anymore. Tired of you. See the bag, yeah? I'm going to close in there. I'm going to close in the bag. Go! That way. Come. I'm putting them out of my house. Putting them out. Yeah, putting them out. Come. One. Hold it. Yeah, sister, go. Don't come back. Bye. Don't come back on me hand. Now we know. We can't make they see me, no time they see me, they not go. They think I take a joke. I mean, I don't see phone either. Go on! Go on, don't go! I don't love one of them no more. Go away! Go away! You see me picking it there? Then they give me trouble, so I decide to say, I'm going to prank them. I'm going to kill them. Go on, don't go. You should have further than that. Go on. They ring too, you know. They ring like a dog. They're not, you picking them not even stop me. I say, they want to live with me with a bit of a road. You picking them gone to shit. Seriously. Are you Aisha gone? They ain't gone, you know. Like God have mercy. No, seriously, they ain't gone. And they don't have no shoes, no slippers, not me just done beard them. Hello? Wanna go? Come here. Come to me. Aisha, run, come. Come to me right here so I can talk to you. See what them are going to say. Try to set the camera so I can see them. And hear their reaction. Good. Oh, shh. Oh, that not about this. Alright, good. Come right here so I can talk to you. Give me the bag. Come here so I can talk to you. Which part you been a go? Come. Which part you been a go? Where you go? Where you go? Where did I go? Nowhere. But we see how the bag of water good on this so Aisha, where did I go? Oh, that station? Yeah. Why? Why you not got station? Eh? You not got station? For why? Where you go to? You can tell for mommy? You tell mommy put you out of your house? So where you not go live, Harry? Where you would not live? What dog you have? Mommy not put on out here. I prank mommy that prank on now. Alright, go on back in our house. Sorry, run gone in the house. Sorry, run gone back in the house. So guys, I am extremely sorry about that. No kids were harmed in the making of this video. So for the people that will love go call CD and see so you can run go on. But Pitney them well taken care of. They are happy, they are healthy, they are loved. Go on in our house. Drop that. I came up with this idea just now. I just in the house and them pissed me off. So I say, yo, I'll just pack something and throw out. But unfortunately I couldn't get to pack a bag in time. So I'm shoes them there so dry. Go inside, come off of the wall. May I come? Me so can't get a snack. So the sun just come out, so we had to pay washing and one only for some today. And guys, also I am super sorry for the persons offended in the making of this video. So as you can see, I never done an intro. At the beginning of the intro, so I might as well do the intro right now. So basically this video is gonna be titled Throwing My Kids Out. However, they are 2 and 4-year-old, so there's no way to throw out a 2-year-old and 4-year-old and get an epic reaction because they're not even know how to react. So guys, we got their reaction obviously. Miss won't get one chicks, wait. We get them reaction, obviously. I prank them. Aisha, how you did feel? Why did I go to station? Why you say that I go station? Are you gonna tell me how you did feel? How you did feel? Did you feel sad? Aww. Where you go sleep tonight if my mommy put out you? On the road? Oh, you look like you're gonna cry. Mommy not do that, yeah? Alright, baby. So, there you have it, guys. There you have it, guys. The prank Ariana and Aisha once more. The prank should have more epic, me know, but I just say go. Thanks for watching. Guys, I can't pull off the prank, God no. I can't hurt my kids. I can't make them feel no way. I don't know them way they are. Can't hurt them, yeah, man. So, obviously, the prank kind of feel because I can't pull it off. Because them too little for give me the reaction that I really want. Them too young for give me the reaction that I want. So, can't pull it off at all. So thanks so much for watching this video. I'm hoping we're gonna laugh at some point. Take down your juice and simple pepper pig on the TV phone and watching me. Anyways, guys, now I'm gonna show you guys the clip before this. The clip before this, yeah? I'm gonna do the video twice, but I don't know.